Students, today we are going to discuss about the position of third group elements in periodic table. A topic named position of third A group elements in periodic table. डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ गिवन हिंट्स का और देन कंप्लीट करेंगे इस लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन को, बिकॉज हियर गिवन हिंट्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, वैलेंसी, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, एटॉमिक रेडियस, their electronature and its chemical behavior. An important question for you: describe the position of third A group elements in periodic table by the basis of electronic configuration. Are different type of questions say to you: explain the position of boron and aluminum by the given hints. So first we discussed about the electronic configuration of third A group elements. You know that in this book only 5 study elements are available, named boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. So first we take the configuration of these elements. Electronic configuration. We configure these elements in two types. First is in their orbitals and another in their cells. So for boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium, in their orbitals electrons are distributed 2, 3 for boron, 2, 8, 3 for aluminum, 2, 8, 18, 3 for gallium, 2, 8, 18, 18 and 3 for indium, and 2, 8, 18, 32, 18 and 3 for thallium. So we say that all elements have 3 electrons in their outermost orbital. So they are known as third A group elements. When we configure these elements in our cell, then its common configuration is categorized by NS1 and P1. We know that only one electron entered in the last P cell. So this type of elements are identified third A group elements on P1. So boron, for boron 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. For aluminum 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 or 3p1. For gallium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2 and 4p1. For indium लास्ट सेल का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मिलेगा 5s2 and 5p1. देन फॉर थैलियम 6s2 and 6p1. So we say that this type of configuration 2p1, 3p1, 4p1, 5p1, 6p1 and S. Then we goes on the category of valency for this third group elements. Now second discussion point is named valency. The valency of third A group elements depend on the number of electrons who found in their last orbital. Students, you know that the last orbital electrons who are participate for the completing their octet are known as their valency electron. So here for boron and aluminium, B5 and Al13, we consider 2 and 3. For aluminium 2, 8 and 3. So we say that last orbital for boron is L. Here 3 electrons are available, and last orbital for aluminium is M. Here 3 electrons are available. These elements have the accretion capacity of these electrons according to octet law and complete their octet. So boron exceeded 3 electrons in their outermost orbital, and aluminium also exceeded 3 electrons in their outermost orbital. So we say that the valency of third A group elements is 3. Students, which type of elements shown the valency 3 are named trivalent elements. Trivalent elements. So this group shown the simple valency is 3 and elements are known as trivalent. Then we discussed about the oxidation state of third group elements. Now we discussed about the oxidation state of third group elements. This hence is also known as the oxidation number of third group elements. We take some example and find out the oxidation number of third group elements, like as a boron and like as a aluminium. Simply we say that third group elements shown their oxidation value or oxidation state is +3. Like as AlCl3, boron trichloride BCl3, aluminium hydroxide AlOH का whole taken थी, and we underline third A group elements in the given compounds, like as a Al, like as a boron and aluminium. We find out the oxidation state here. Aluminium X, because single atom of aluminium is available in this compound, plus chlorine 3, single chlorine का oxidation value -1 equals to 0. Then X plus minus का 3 equals to 0. So X equals to plus का 3. Here Al का oxidation state +2. Now for boron, X plus thrice-chlorine atoms are available here. So 3, and the oxidation state of halogens is -1. So -1 is the oxidation state of single chlorine atom and equals to 0. So X plus -3 equals to 0, then X equals to +2. It's shown that the oxidation state of third A group elements is +2. Now for aluminium hydroxide, the oxidation state of Al is X plus 3. For OH, it's shown their oxidation state -1, because the hydroxide ions shown their oxidation state -1. Now for aluminium x plus minus 3 equals to 0. Then x equals to plus 3. So students says that the simple oxidation state of third day group elements is plus 3. Then another point, name the atomic radius. Simply we identify by simple AR. We know that atomic radius of elements is increases when we goes on upward to downward in a group. So here we goes on boron to thallium in third D group. Then their atomic numbers are increases. If the atomic number of elements is increases, then their atomic radius is also increases according to their given diagrams. Example for boron and for aluminum. We configure boron in their orbitals with 5 electrons because the atomic number of boron is 5. So 2 and 3, it have 2 orbitals, K and L. When we make its atomic structure, then we clear their atomic radius. Nucleus is the mid part of atom. Then surrounding 2 orbitals are available in borons. First orbital is known as K and second one is known as L. So boron shown there 2 orbitals. The radius of elements is the distance between nucleus to outermost orbital, or another way to say that in their molecules, the distance between same nucleus by 2. So here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbital is shown there radius. Now for aluminium, Al13 conjugated in their orbitals 2, 8 and 3, K, L and M. Nucleus is the mid part of atom and surrounding 3 orbitals are available here. K, L and M. So the distance between nucleus to outermost orbital is known as the atomic radius. It is increases in the comparison of boron. So we say that the radius of third day group elements is increases from boron to thallium, or another way we say that the radius of third day group elements is increases from upward to downward in third day. Now another point for the discussion in the position of third day group elements in periodic table. This hint is named by electronature. Students, you know that the electronature of elements is depend on the capacity of their excretion or recepting capacity of electrons or donating capacity of electrons. So here in third A group, all elements have capacity for the excretion of 3 electrons in their outermost orbital. For boron and for aluminum, 2 and 3 electrons are distributed in K and L orbitals, and 2, 8 and 3 electrons are distributed in 3 orbitals. We know that 3 electrons are available in the outermost orbital of boron and aluminum. So they exceeded their 3 electrons according to octet for completing their stability or completing their octet, like as a aluminum, and they make their triple positive ion. their ions shown 3 unit positive charge, like as a boron 3 plus and aluminium 3 plus. So we say that they are totally electropositive in nature. Students, we define it. Third A group elements exceeded 3 electrons in their outermost orbital and shown their nature electropositive. Students, next class we discussed about their chemical properties, their chemical reactions and their chemical activity of third A group elements, especially for boron and aluminum.